How to use Canva as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can use canva.com as a complete beginner. So let's get started. What you have to do is just simply come to canva.com and you will land on this website. Now Canva is an amazing platform that allows you to create your own presentations, to create your own Instagram posts, posters, logos, edit your videos, and much more. There are different pricing plans that are available on Canva. I am using the free plan, which is pretty amazing, and you get a lot of cool features in the free plan. So you can just, sign up for the free plan. Simply sign up with your email address and set up a password, and you are simply logged in to your Canva. You can sign up with your Google account as well. Now on home, you get everything. For example, you will see the option of For You, presentations, social media, video marketing, office, and more. If you want to create a presentation, you will simply click right here. When we click on any of these, we simply go to that window and it will open up the different templates for that. For example, if I click on presentation, you will see right here now they have all of these different presentation options for me. For example, the simple one, talking presentation, mobile first presentation, brainstorm presentations, and game presentations. So I have these different options, right? In the For You, you get all of these different things. For example, you will see the option of presentation, Instagram post, poster, video, logo, flyers, and documents. Anything you want to create, you simply create on that, and you are simply driven to a new canvas where you can create any of these things. You can click on the video option and you will be able to edit the video. In all your designs, you will see all of your previous designs that you already have created. If anyone has shared anything with you, you can see them right here. Then trash, in the trash you will be able to see different things that you have trashed, you have deleted. So these are the simple options that are available here. So let's create something. For example, if you want to go for any content on Canva, you want to check out, for example, you wanted to create a logo. So you will simply click on logo and you will see right here that Canva will actually give you all of these different options that are available. For example, the templates, logo, Twitch logo, YouTube channel logo. So you can go for any of these layouts. The good thing about Canva is that everything is given to you. You don't have to, it's not a complicated platform. You simply get everything right away. So let's create a post. I will simply click on create a post and it will open up a blank canvas for me. So you can see right here that this is my blank canvas that I opened. So you will simply name your post right here. If it is a presentation, a video, whatever it is, you simply click right here and you name it. Let's call it test post. There you go. So this is going to be the name for my post and it will be saved with this name. Then let me show you what we get here. You will see the option of home. Of course, when I click on home, I will be driven back to where we started. File, in the file, you can actually upload a file. Then resize. This option is actually available for the pro version. So what happens is anything that you see with the crown, you will see this crown with a pro version, and any app or any template that has this crown logo that says pro, and if you are not using the pro version, then you cannot avail them. But there are pretty cool features and all of the templates and different templates that are actually available for the free versions, and that's a good thing about Canva, that even with the free version you can actually do a lot. You can create your NFTs, you can create your presentations, you can edit your videos with a lot of features that are offered. So you will see the option of resize, of course, redo, undo, and then the name, and then try Canva Pro, share, and download. Once we are done with the editing and with the creating our post or anything, we simply click on download, and when you download, click on download, then you get all of the different options. For example, the type of file you want to go for, PDF, PNG, whatever. So you will see the option right here to create something, whatever you are creating. The options are actually same right here. For example, templates. In templates, you will see all of these templates that are created by Canva. You simply click on any of the template. For example, I click on this one and you will see it right here that this is going to be my template, and then I can just customize it the way I want to. So you can edit the text as you want to. So this is how you choose a template from Canva. You simply click on template if you want to go for different, options. So the next thing that you can do is simply go to elements. So I will be creating a post. So I will change the background first. Click on this and you will get the option to change the background color. Of course, let's give it a nice color. There you go. Or maybe let's go with this color. Okay, perfect. So now I can add elements. In elements, you get a lot of different features. For example, you will get the recently used lines and shapes, graphics, photos, whatever you want to. For example, audio, charts, and different frames and grids that you can use. And there are hundreds of options to choose from. For example, if I go for photos, if I click on photos, there are thousands of photos to choose from, and these are actually free too. For example, I will simply click on the photo and it will come right here. Now I can just customize it the way I want to. I can just simply add it right here. There you go. If I want to add another image, I will simply click on that and let's go with this one. There you go. So this is how you add different images. If I wanted to add different, elements, for example, I can go for graphics. So I will simply click on graphics and you can add graphics too. You can actually add videos, you can add audio to your post or whatever you are creating. For example, you are editing a video, you can add different elements as well on different timing. So I can just simply go with any of these. Let's go with this one. So this is how you add different elements. If I click on elements again, I will be able to show you. You can actually add lines and shapes as well. For example, if I want to add this circle, I will click on the circle. There you go. And then I can change the color to whatever I want to, and it will be added to my post, and I will simply send it backwards. There you go. Now the circle I added, it's send it backwards. So you can add lines and shapes, you can add different graphics, you can add the audio, videos, and charts, frames, and grids as well. So once you have added all of the elements, if you want to add the text, you will simply go to text. In the text option, you get three categories to choose from. For example, it will be a heading, a subheading, and then the body text. Right here you can see add a heading, add a subheading, and a body text. So you can choose from here, or you can actually go for different templates that are already created, different fonts and text that is already available. So you can go for any of these as well, but you simply click on add a heading and it comes right here. I will simply make it a little bigger so I can just write. So click right here and then backspace. After that, you add whatever you want to. There you go. Merry Christmas. And I can just edit the text now. So once you have added all of the elements, first I added the elements to show you how to add them. For example, how to add the text. We have added the text, we have added photos, graphics. This is how you add different elements to your post or whatever you are creating. Then we also have the option of more. In more, you get these advanced features. For example, photos, styles, audio, video, folder, charts. Then you can actually add apps and integrations. For example, Facebook, emojis, Instagram, Google Drive, and much more. And then we have YouTube too. We have Typeform. So if you want to integrate these different platforms with your Canva, you can do that. So this is pretty good that we can actually integrate our the things that we create. We can just simply upload them to these different platforms. Then you get the option of background photos, of course, that are to create your amazing designs. So if I go to the basics again, so we have added the text, we have added the photos, we have added the graphics. How to edit them? So what happens is, let's go for the text first. When I click on the text, you will see all of these different options right here. For example, the font of the text can be changed. I can just simply go ahead and choose any of the fonts that I want to, and it will be changed right here. You can just scroll down to check out the different fonts. The one with the crown are for the pro, but you can see there are many that are available for free. So this is pretty good. Then the size option, there are two ways you can actually increase and decrease the size of your text and of anything. Actually, what happens is you can actually increase it from here. In the plus icon, you will see the size is increasing as I click the plus button right here. If I go to minus, the size decreases, and you can see it right here as well. Now it's 69. But there's another way I can increase and decrease the size. You simply click and you drag it away and it increases, and you drag it inwards and it decreases. It increased and then it decreased. Now I can just put it right here. Actually, I'll make it a bit smaller. There you go. And after that, I will change the color for this. I will simply click right here, text color, right? And let's go for green. And okay, for the green, let's go for a good shade of green, a very dark shade. So I will simply click on this right here, the mix, and it will allow me to go for any shade of green I want to. So this shade looks pretty good. Now I will simply drag it here because I want to delete this one. If you want to delete an element, you simply click on that element and you can just simply press delete key from your keyboard, or you would have, gone for any of, for example, I want to delete this image. I will click right here, the right click, and when we right click on something, we get all of these options. For example, copy, paste, delete, bring forward. Bring forward means it will come forward from any of the thing. For example, if I click on bring forward, it will come forward from that text that is written above it. Bring to front means it will come in front of everything. Animate, comment, replace background, apply colors to the page. So you can do all of these options from right clicking on any of the elements. So I want to delete this one. I will simply click on delete and it will be deleted. Now I will grab my text and put it right here where I want to. Then I will make this a little big. There you go. Okay, so the circle that I created, the circle, the color, I do not like it, so I'm going with the green, and we can click right here. Now the color for this element, you can actually change the color of the graphics. So this is the color for this one. I want to go for red. Let's see how red will look on this flower. There you go. And this color too, I want it to be red. There you go. Now it looks better. So this is going to be the flower that I wanted to add. If you want to move an element, you simply click right here and you can just move it. So this is going to be my Instagram post if I want to create it. And now you can actually do a lot with, different things. I just created a simple one and I deleted some of the elements, but you can keep all of the elements that you want to. You can animate them, you can flip them. For example, if I wanted to flip this image, I will click on flip horizontally and it will be flipped horizontally. Now it looks actually better. If I want to crop the image, if I want to edit it, I can do that too. If I want to change the position, if I want to make it transparent, I can do that as well. So this is how you add different elements to your Canva. You can use Canva to create different posts and to go ahead and create different videos, audios, to edit your presentations, to edit your videos, to create your posters, logos, and everything you want to. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.